Bubble versus Webflow overview. Two popular no-code tools. Different purposes. Bubble and Webflow are both no-code platforms, but they are built for completely different goals. Bubble built for applications. Best for web apps as products, dashboards, marketplaces. Key strengths: built-in database workflow automation, user authentication, full backend logic, right pointing finger emoji. Bubble is a full-stack app builder. Webflow built beautiful websites. Best for landing pages, portfolio sites, business websites, blogs. Key strengths: pixel-perfect design, strong CMS, SEO tools, fast performance, right pointing finger emoji. Webflow focuses on design plus content-driven websites. Key difference: Bubble functionality and logic, Webflow design and user experience. Design versus function. Webflow offers advanced visual control and responsive design tools. Bubble focuses more on back-end workflows than visual perfection. When to use what? Use Bubble if you want to build an app with logic and users. Use Webflow if you want a fast, SEO-friendly website. Pro tip: real-world use. Many startups use both. Webflow marketing website, Bubble main application. Final take: there is no better tool. Choose based on what you are building. App, Bubble, website, Webflow, rocket